Welcome to Quikcodes. In this video, we'll uncover 3 ways to populate the cells on the spreadsheet quickly and easily. By doing this, you'll become faster and more efficient in any task related to repeated data entry. With the spreadsheet we have up and available, we're going to take cell A1, which has its copy me, and we're going to copy this information onto another cell or collection of cells. One easy way to do this is by clicking on that cell in which the information you want to be copied and using your mouse, right-clicking it, and the options will come up, including copy. Select copy, and the option is up to you as far as how many cells you want the information to be pasted in. So if we want the information to be pasted all the way to A10, for an example, we'll take our mouse and we'll drag that one cell all the way down to A10. After doing that, we'll use that same mouse and right-click it once again and select paste, allowing that information to be copied onto the rest. That's one way. Another way in which we can have this same information in cell A1 copied and pasted onto other cells is by clicking on that cell, once again A1, up in the menu scheme, in the Home tab, right below you'll see copy. We're going to select copy with our mouse, with clicking on the left trigger, we'll say. And once again, you'll see the cell quote unquote dancing or some type of motion, letting you know that Microsoft Excel is ready to take that information and copy it somewhere else. Same as the process before. If you want this information to be duplicated or more so copied and pasted all the way to cell A10 or whichever, we'll take a cell, it doesn't matter which one it is, and drag it all the way down to A10. We'll return back to the menu tab, and right below it, instead of copy, we're going to click with our mouse paste. And once again, you'll see the information populates. Another way to copy information from a cell, which may be faster than the options I mentioned earlier, is by clicking on that cell, which is once again A1, and at the bottom right-hand side, you'll see of that cell a small box. When you put your sensor over that box, you'll see the sensor becomes a T, for lack of better terms. You'll use your mouse, the left trigger, and pull your mouse to whatever cells that you want the information to be populated to, and release the trigger, and the information will automatically be duplicated or copied onto the cells in which you desire.